How to create a 3D Shopify store. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how we can create a 3D Shopify store. So 3D it, first of all you have to tap on the settings option and you have to search for this apps and sales channels option. Then you have to head over to Shopify app store, and there are two things to search on the Shopify app store. One is 3D store, which is absolutely normal, and then there's another one which is RC. You can just search up for that option, but right now it is not showing right here. Just search for the free plan. You can just install the free one and then you can use it. For now this one is offering free plan, so I'm going to install it up. You just have to install RC 3D virtual store, this one app, and then install it for your Shopify store. So as you can see, I'm just installing it up for my Shopify store, and there we go. Now you have to tap onto RC. So there we go, this is loading and you can check out your features, instructions, releases, logos. So RC offers a free version also, so that's why I'm gonna use RC for now to show you how you can do it. So let's wait until it loads completely, then I'm going to show you how you can edit them. You can also choose any other app if you find better app than RC, but right now I have just find this app better. So let's use it out. Let's check out. Let's go to our Shopify store again. Let's go back. You can check out your features from here. There might be some issues right now as it is not loading completely. So this is, let's check out from here that how it turns out. It should work. So let it load first. Why is it not working? Then you can also add other sites if you wish to. Just search for let's go to Shopify app store and let's check for another site. Let's type for 3D store right now, then tap enter, and let's check out this one to duplicate your product. This one is for duplicating your products. There are other products from here available. You can just use them, just install the one, then check it out. Let's try another one. For example, let's try which one? Duplify. This one is just for duplicating your product, so right now we are not going to use it. Let's use MetaDrop create virtual store. This one, let's open it up for our Shopify store. Let's install it and let's see how it works. So install it up and let's see how it turns out. Let it load. There might be some glitches, that's why my store is not loading completely. So you just can download them and you can use them, customize them according to your wish. You can create a virtual 3D store, Shopify store for yourself. So let me reload the page again. This might work. Let's see. Let's go to this one. Is still not loading. Let's load this page again. Let's go to apps and open up RC. I don't know what's happening. None of these are working. So you just have to download one and then start using them. You can check out this video that how you can use these softwares. For example, here are a tutorial, and there is the RC tutorial 3D virtual store. You can just check out their tutorial on YouTube and then you can use it. So let's view a demo store of it. So this is a RC demo store. You can check out. As you can see, this is a 3D logo like AI made. You can just tap onto these ones and then here is the interface, how it will look like, absolutely 3D. You can go to homepage, you can check every single thing you can tap on the shop now. So this is how you can create a store with Opsi 3D1. um, and this one, the Metadrop premium is $1,600 per month. You can check it out. And I hope you understand that how it looks like after setting up these websites. For example, here you can see some, for example, this one, chic carrot bucket. You can tap onto it, and then you can tap on to buy it now from here, and you can just check them out, all the informations. So that's it. Here you can check more things, for example, clothings. Here are the customization, 3D clothes, and etc. Here you can check them out. There are other things like price and shoes are also available. You can check them out. So this all looks like 3 images. You can just choose them up and you can add it using Etsy store. So that was pretty much it, how we can add a 3D store to Shopify store. I would show you that how we can add it, but right now I am having some network issues, so I'm unable to show you. You just have to enter this app on Shopify store, then you just have to customize it according to your need. You just go and check them out. You can, I hope you can do it on your own, as I am having some issues right now. So here you can check the pricings of Odyssey. The free one offers 3D shop publishing, auto product linking, logo and tagline, multiple shop styles, and 3D embed customization. Also click to move. And the $10, this one offers custom product selection, ambient music, interior studio, 3D model customization, branding freedom, product frame customization. So just choose it up that which one you want to use and you can use it. So you can also check out their reviews. They pretty much have good reviews. Here you can see this. So that was pretty much it, and if this video was helpful, let me know in the comment section. And if you want described or see tutorial, then let me know in the comment section that too, so that I can make a briefly describe tutorial for you guys. So that's it, and if this video is helpful, click the like button, subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, and as always, happy exploring. Goodbye. Let's cut it up.